Okay, see, this is also the paper question from 2021. In this, they have given the voltage in the standard equation form. Okay? Voltage formula is V is equal to max sine of omega t plus phi. This is the standard equation for voltage and as well as for current. If I'll compare the standard equation with the given equation, that is V of t would be equal to V max sine of omega t plus phi, right? So in this case, if we'll compare, Vmax value is 282.85, right? Omega is equal to 100 pi and phi is equal to 50 degree. I'm writing over here. Vmax what we got, that is 282.585, and omega is equal to how much? 100 pi, and phi is equal to how much? That is 50 degree. Correct? Similarly, if I'll compare the current equation, that is I of t would be equal to I max sine of omega t plus phi. But in this case, what they have given? They have given in terms of cos. But our standard equation is in terms of sine. So what we need to do? We need to convert the cos term into the sine term. Can anyone tell how can we convert the cos term into the sine term? By adding 90 degree to it or by subtracting 90 degree to it? Tell me. Hmm? If there is a cos equation and we want to convert it into sine, remember you have studied the formula in the 10th class, that is sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta, या फिर cos theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta, right? So if I'll do it for this equation, then equation will become for the current 14.15. Cos will be converted into the sine by adding 90 degree to it. Okay, so that would be sine of 100 pi t plus 30 plus 90 degree. Okay, clear? Hmm? So now I can compare this equation with this equation. I max is how much? 14.15. Omega is same 100 pi, and in this case phi is equal to 120, right? So I max is how much? 14.15. Omega is equal to 100 pi and phi is equal to 120 degree. Okay, clear? So now we got maximum value, but again there is one relationship, that Vrms would be equal to Vmax by root. So for calculation purpose, we'll always use the RMS value. We never use the maximum value. Okay. So we want RMS. RMS stands for root mean square. Got it? So if I'll compare it, then we have Vmax, but we need VRMS. So VRMS would be how much? 82 point whatever, 82.85 divided by root 2. Similarly, we'll get IRMS is how much? Imax is how much? 14.15. So IRMS is 14.15 divided by root 2, right? So now what they have asked, find the average active power and reactive power. Basically they'll ask you the power. Power formula is VI cos phi, active power. Voltage we know, this is the voltage value. Current we know, this is the current value. But phase angle we don't know. How can we get the phase angle? By using phasor diagram. As you can see, this is the standard 0 degree. Voltage angle is how much they have given? Voltage angle is how much? Phi is equal to 50 degree now. So phasor diagram we can draw like 50 degree is something like here. That would be 50 degree for the voltage. And then for the current, how much is the angle? 120 degree. So 120, 90 degrees here, 120 degree is like here. I is equal to I 120 degree. So basically what is phi? Phi is the angle between voltage and current. Okay, phi is the angle between voltage and current. Voltage angle is 50 degree and current angle is 120 degree. So can anyone tell what would be the value for phi? Hmm? That is 120 minus 50. Right? Hey yoga? Hmm? So phi is equal to how much? 70 degree. Clear? Follow? So phi is equal to 70 degree. Now we'll have V, this one, I, this one, cos of 70 degree. Similarly, we'll get the reactive power, that is VI sine phi will have all values. Similarly, we'll get the apparent power VI. Okay. Now then the next part they said, is the impedance inductive or capacitive or purely resistive in nature? Now as you can see this in this phasor diagram, current is leading or voltage is leading? Current angle is more now, so as you can see that in this case current leads voltage by an angle of 70 degree. So in this case current is leading, and current leads voltage in which case? In the case of capacitor. So basically it's a capacitive in nature. So the answer is capacitive. Okay. If you know about it, remember I told you the word civil. Here C stands for capacitor. In case of capacitor, current leads the voltage, and L stands for inductor. And in case of inductor, voltage leads current. Okay, so that we'll get to know by the help of phasor diagram. There are maximum chances that this time also you will get the equation, you will get the question based on the standard equation. Understood?